Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here to share with you my tips on how to install a rug or carpet on your stairs. This is something that Mike and I did recently, and so I thought it would be fun to take you on our journey to share with you tips that were helpful for us. So let's get started. So friends, many of you know that Mike and I recently made over our entryway, and if you did not see that video, I will link it in the description box below. And one of the things that we did was we ripped all of the carpet off of our stairs, and so we ripped it out and we wanted to replace it with an actual runner on our stairs. We thought that this would really be a just clean look. We knew that we couldn't keep just the hard stairs because we like that comfort of having that carpet when we're coming down the stairs. Bentley and Albert, they love running up and down the stairs. So, really having something there was important. And so I want to share with you some of the key things that we needed to accomplish this mission. One was the actual rug. The rug I got from Amazon, very budget friendly. It's actually a runner. And one thing that I do want to share with you is that you have different options when it comes to your runner. You can basically choose to use several different sizes. Like if you find a runner that you like, but it's not quite as long, you can just buy multiples of that rug, and that's what we did, and combine them going down the stairs, and you'll never know the difference. The other thing is you can go to companies such as runrug.com, and they have a selection of runners that you can get that are longer that can really fit your stairs. So between searching for a runner that's the actual length of your stairs or combining, it's definitely options that you have. Now, the second thing that you're definitely going to need for this project is a nail gun. I cannot tell you the amount of staples that we used in this project. So we actually broke our nail gun in the middle of this project and had to buy a new one. But that's what you're going to need also with the staples to go into the gun. Another thing that I want to mention is Mike and I chose not to use padding under the rug because when we laid it down, it really felt great and we loved how it felt. It didn't feel too bulky. And so that's something that is definitely up to you. We chose not to, and we love the outcome. And so one thing that was really important for us is the styling of it, because in our entryway and in our home also, there is a lot of chrome, and not, a lot of chrome, but in the light fixtures, they're chrome, and the decorative accessories, we have chrome. And I knew I wanted to bring that look over to the stairs, and I have always loved stair rods. I've just something about them I've always loved. I've always wanted them in my home, and I said this is the time to do it. So we knew we wanted that not only to kind of keep the structure of the rug, but also for the beauty. So it has that dual function there. So friends, before we get started, I want to say if you are not a part of the At Home with Nikki family, I would love to have you. I love sharing all things home DIY, home organization, home decor, and I would love to have you as a part of the channel. So don't forget to click that subscribe button and also click that bell. So friends, now that I have shown you everything that we used to accomplish the mission, now let me share with you our journey of accomplishing the mission, because it was not as easy as we thought it would be. We thought it was going to be just simply lay the rug out, staple it down, and we're good to go, put our rods and have it easy. It's not. The reason why we had a little more difficulty is because our stairs we have those two areas that curve a little bit. So it got a little tricky. So we had to basically cut the carpet at an angle to get those to fit. But outside of that complication, everything else was simple. So I say that to say if your stairs do curve, you do have the option of not putting any of the runner on those two stairs, especially if you have a landing. You can just leave the landing in the wood and then come back down to the carpet, or you can do what we did and cut the rug at an angle at the point that you have. So one tip, friends, also is when you're choosing your runner, if you're choosing something that is not the exact size, make sure that you have enough. When you get your rug, definitely lay it out, because that was something that Mike and I did, and we found out that we really did not have enough runners. We needed to order one more, and so we were able to order one more before we actually started that project. Before you order your rug, measure your stairs so that you know how much of the wood portion of your stairs you want to see, the hard portion, and how much you want the runner to cover, because runners do come in different widths, along with all of our stairs are different widths. So that was important for us to kind of measure to see how much coverage we wanted on our stairs. And I will say this project is really better as a two-man project, but you can definitely do it alone, but it really is a lot easier, as in most things, when you have two hands on deck. So we started from the top of the stairs, and our main objective was locking in that first stair, and that way we could just really relax as we put the rest of the runner down. So we really wanted to make it stable first of all. And of course we measured each side as we went along to make sure that we were staying straight, because especially with stairs, because if you do it uneven when you walk in the house, that's like the first thing you see, and so we were really careful about that. But as I said, going down the straight stairs was a simple process. It took us no time to do it. The only difficult was when we went around the curve, having to cut that angle and then going back straight down. So once the carpet is installed, the fun part is putting the rods in. So with our rods came the mounts on each side, which they're absolutely beautiful, and they lock down the rod. So Mike and I, what we did was we double teamed. I laid all of the rods out on the stairs so that every stair had a rod, and then Mike basically he would go and lock down both of the brackets, and then I came behind him and I would lock them down into place, so that saved time. So we kind of teamed up on it so that we could get through it, because anything with stairs you're having to do multiple times over and over again. So we were about ready to get done with the task when that was done. So friends, I hope that I could have shared some small nuggets with you today in case you're thinking about putting a rug or a carpet on your stairs. Also, let me know in the comments, do you have totally wood stairs, or do you have carpet on your stairs, or do you actually have a runner? Again, I also want to thank runrug.com for sending me and Mike the rods for our actual stairs. They're absolutely beautiful, and I'll link them in the description box below. And friends, I also want to mention, if you have not joined me on my At Work with Nikki channel, definitely check it out. I just posted a video on a walkthrough of how I put together a teacher planner. We're all getting ready for the school year, so maybe that'll be helpful to you. Along with, I have a third channel, At Home with Bentley and Albert, my pet channel. And I would love for my pet lovers to come over there and have fun. And even if you don't have pets, it's a very fun channel. And they just posted a recipe video, so a homemade dog food recipe video. So definitely check that out. I'll link both those channels below. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.